Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we are going to show you how we can create a gig on Fiverr. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. When you log into your profile, you will see this screen. Just click on the gigs. Then click on Create a new gig. New button. And finally click on Publish button. Your gig will be published. So I hope you learned from the video. Please like, comment and share to the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.